Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a champ pizza. This one is going just under 5 miles. For Patrick. Thank you. In and out, just how I like it. Oh my goodness. The struggle right now between keeping this pizza warm and not getting completely garlicked out. It smells so good though. I'm starving already. Total for that order ended up being $7. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $13 going 7.5 miles.
Yeah. And then even half of the guys, we both left the guy, so we could still stay friends. All of a sudden, she stopped talking to me. I cannot. She has me blocked. She had never blocked me, no matter what. She would never block me, never did anything. Thank you.
All right. A little less gossip, a little bit more giving me the order, yeah?
Thank you. Have a good morning.
Yep, you too. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 1.5 miles. Thank you.
Of course.
Total for that one was $6, and we got the next order right away. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee going 4 miles. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $4. Nice, nice. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 4 miles.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Total for that one was $8 and change. Not bad. Just got the next order. This is going to be a Mr. Maple Donuts going 3.5 miles. Hello. Or Angelica? Says, hello, good morning. I work at the daycare in the cafeteria. Please park in the trash cans and I'll run out to meet you. Kind of sounds like a setup, but okay. I think I'm in the right spot.
Yes, I'm walking like straight over to you right now.
Okay, do you see me? Because I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking.
Do you have your, I'm coming on from your right?
I think I see you. Yep, that's you.
Yes.
Have a nice day.
You as well. No tip. Nice. $5 and change. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 2 miles. No tip on that one either. Total ended up being $5. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This one's $11 going 6 miles. Is this how we're parking today? Thank you. You too. All right. That order took me 16 minutes. So I'd say that's pretty good. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 3.5 miles. B92?
Yeah, I've got order. Okay, perfect.
Jeffrey?
I wasn't sure if you were...
Hello.
Yeah, it's the kind of people I look for to run into.
For Jeffrey?
Jeff?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was a good one. Total for that one was $10. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 2 miles, only one item. That's not a parking spot. Can't forget our low-fat cottage cheese in the morning. Next up, we've got another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $16 going 8 miles, 6 items. Just got an add-on order. This is $9 going an extra mile, 1 item. Have a good one. Got the next order right away. This is Daydream breakfast burrito going 6 miles. Do you guys have Dr. Pepper? Can I get a cup?
I got you, baby. You don't have to pay for it.
You sure?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're going to do a lot of deliveries for us. Tiffany W.
Thank you. See, sometimes you just gotta ask and you get free stuff. Also, can we all agree that Dr. Pepper is just the best soda? Hello. Tiffany.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Have a good one. Total for that order was $9 and change. We've got a Seize the Bagel going 5.5 miles.
I don't know why, but my outfit was cute today, so I was like, I'm gonna
You gotta wear it
it
anyways, right?
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Okay, I really need to stop delivering for these people. I feel like more times than not, it's gonna be a no tip. Like today. Total for that one was $7 and change. And on that note, I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 10:17. Total, we are at 121. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.